Alright, so what we're going to do today is a very similar experiment that we did yesterday, with the exception to that 10 grams of naphthalene, we're going to add 1,4-dichlorobenzene. So to start off, I'm going to get the mass of the test tube, and I'm going to do that by zeroing out the scale. So the mass of the empty test tube right now is reading out at 31.91 grams. So I'm going to mark this down on part B of our data sheet here. So in part B, the empty test tube is 31.91 grams. Now what I'm going to do is add roughly 10 grams of naphthalene to that empty test tube. So I'm going to put the phone down, and I'm going to show you what the mass is after that. Alright, so I've gotten the naphthalene in the test tube, and right now the total mass of the test tube and the naphthalene is reading out at 40.95 grams. So I'm going to mark that down on my sheet. So 40.95 grams. Okay, now what I'm going to do to this test tube is I am going to add 1 gram, roughly 1 gram of this 1,4-dichlorobenzene. So again, I'm going to put the phone down and then show you what the total mass is after this. Okay, so I went a little bit higher, but that's okay. Right now the total mass of the naphthalene, the 1,4-dichlorobenzene, and the test tube is reading out at 43.21. So I'm going to have this right here at 43.21, and that is going to be our total masses, our things that we need to record for part B. Now I'm going to pause and I'm going to melt this solution of these chemicals.